So guys, having a coffee. With Miming over there. Nakita niya na andito ako, bumaba din siya guys. So ayan, you go up. Hello Ming. Anong gusto mo merienda natin? Okay. What you want, Ming? You want to eat a biscuit, Ming? Partner sa ating kape, Ming? So anong merienda natin, Ming? Ming. Sige, Ming, pag-isipan natin kung anong i-partner natin dito sa kape natin. So, chill time na guys. Andun ang ano, di pa rin tapos ang ano nila, araw nila guys. Mga manok ko guys. Ayan ang nobyo nila. And then Miming is there. Okay. Thank you, Ming. Thank you so much, Ming. Oh, ayan, silang tatlo guys. May kasama na sila ngayon. Yun lang guys. Thank you for watching. Bye! So hello guys. Dito tayo. Enjoy while having a coffee guys. So diba? So kayo dyan guys, tapos na kayo nag-coffee. Anong mga merienda nyo din dyan guys? So ako ay pag-isipan ko pa guys kung anong kakainin ko ngayon. Kasi medyo nagutom din tayo guys at the same time. So hanap din tayo ngayon guys. Partner sa kape. Maganda din yung labas-labas din tayo dito guys. Para at the same time nalanghap din tayo ng hangin. So chill out din tayo guys. And si Miming guys, so cute. Where are you going? Okay, si Miming is here with me guys. Where are you going, Ming? Miming guys. He backed guys. O ayan, cute-cute nila. Hapon na guys. Ayun din yung boyfriend nila guys. So kape tayo guys while refreshing. Sarap ng coffee dito sa labas din guys. So feel fresh. So hello guys, we are here with Miming. Andito po kami. Are you feel okay only? Okay. Very cute Miming guys.